GAMB stock analysis and GAMB stock prediction. In this brief short 1-minute video for Thursday, I'm breaking down my exact play and everything. With gambling.com stock, first glance doesn't look the best. Here's how my drawings are looking like. Okay, no drawings on the chart, which is kind of off. But having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, and it's all documented. Look, I'm not the guy that's done millions of dollars trying to shield you a freaking 10K course. I'm here to show you what I've tested for 42,000 videos, documented everything, and seen what's printing me. I mean, overall, there is no doubt in my head that we're just going to go past clear these lows. There's just a lot of liquidity. I mean, I'm here to even milk it down, which means that if I see the confirmation taking place, of course, I'm going to look to take it down. If not, it's good, you know, so that's how this is looking like. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.